Hi, I'm Dr. Rukmini Chaudhary, and in this video, I'll be talking about agalactoria. So, today's topic is about agalactoria, hypogalactoria. Galactoria means milk discharge, agalactoria means complete absence of milk discharge. Hypogalactoria means decreased milk supply. So, today's topic is all about like decreased or insufficient milk discharge, and we'll talk about everything like what are the best feeding techniques, like good techniques for baby and mother, and the prevention part, that how you can avoid this condition, best effective homeopathy medicine about. So let's discuss what is agalactoria. Galactoria means milk discharge, agalactoria means complete absence, either complete absence of the milk discharge, or hypogalactoria means insufficient milk discharge or decreased milk discharge, insufficient lactation we can call. What are the causes of agalactoria or insufficient milk supply? See, this can be like primary causes, secondary causes. First is primary, or we can call it medical causes. Like there can be certain medicine, there can be certain illness. If we talk about the anatomical problem, tubular breast. See, tubular breasts are the breasts who are underdeveloped. So during puberty time, so these are the breasts that obviously are underdeveloped. So there are the less growth of the milk gland, so that's why there is a insufficient milk supply in this case. And there can be medical reason, like there can be hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is one of the most commonest cause, and another one is PCOD or PCOS. Yes, in these cases you can have like poor milk supply. Hypertension, high blood pressure, or if you're using any medicines like for any estrogen based medicine or progesterone based medicine, contraceptive pills, so in that case also you have poor milk supply. There can be breast surgeries before having deliveries, or there can be breast injuries. So after all these conditions you can have poor milk supply or agalactoria or hypogalactoria part. The secondary, or we can call it like poor breastfeeding techniques. Breastfeeding techniques, they are very important. So you are giving the baby like the more pacifier, so obviously baby is not used to, and the baby is not in the proper contact of the breast. So that can be one of the reason that you have poor milk supply. So excess use of pacifier and the baby's poor latch, baby is not able to suck the proper milk formulas. If you have the newborn baby, excessive use of supplement milk formulas, so become one of the reason that there's a poor milk supply baby is used to, and it is very difficult to have suckling. So the is premature if the baby has Down syndrome, and if the baby is weak. So these can be the thing that develop poor latching, poor suckling. Things collectively causes poor milk supply. See the mechanism. Let's talk about the mechanism. See, once the baby is born, so there is a the initiation of the milk production, and there is it is a cycle. Like if the baby is feeding, suckling, so there is a milk production, and it is enhanced. Why? Because there is a supply and there is a release of the milk, so there is a more production. If there is a more breastfeeding, then there is a more production, and if there is no breastfeeding or there is a less breastfeeding, so there are the factors, the inhibitors, they inhibits this phenomena, so there is no further milk production. So this is how the mechanism goes on. So if you are feeding exclusively, you are having proper amount of milk production, and if you are not feeding properly, so obviously there is a less milk formation. You can avoid this condition, and how you can prevent this condition. So as the the causes part, or then just try to manage all these things. So let's talk about the breastfeeding part, and it is very important. Breastfeeding should be exclusive, so that your cycle goes on in a better way. You are having the proper cycle, proper formation. One is, see, once the baby is delivered, so the time the bonding of mother and baby should be like within 1 hour. If it is possible, the delaying of the contact of mother and baby, that delays the milk formation. So try to down that time, and if it is possible. Why? Because once the baby and mother are there in the contact, there is a natural initiation of the milk production, so that helps obviously. And there should be into skin contact. If there is a skin to skin contact, that again that stimulate the milk formation, milk production. Exclusive breastfeeding, we already discussed that breastfeeding should be exclusive, or if it is exclusive, the cycle remains in a better way. Just avoid all the supplementation, all the supplement formulas, milk formulas, so that baby try to have that, baby try to latch, baby try to suck. So obviously there is a cycle, there is a stimulation, and there is a milk production. So just avoid all milk formula until it is required. It is not required medically, so just avoid that part. These are the things you should keep in mind. Effective homeopathy medicine for milk production, or we can say for a galactoria medicines, and they act like in a different way. So we should consider the medicine symptom, or what is your case, obviously what is your individual case. And if you're watching on YouTube, I've already provided all the medicines link in the description box, so you can buy medicine from there and you can use, and you can put your feedback, you can comment. Asafoetida, see, asafoetida is the medicine that is establish the milk formation. So to any reason your milk gets dry, and if you want to re-establish this, so you can use asafoetida, very good medicine that helps you. And this is in the drop form, so just have 1 or 2 drops direct on tongue orally, and just have it 4 or 5 times in a day before having your meal, or even you can have post having 30 minutes gap, or 15 or 20 minutes gap should be there. So you can use this medicine 4-5 times in a day orally, and just have it. So carb, Calcarea carb, you must be knowing, is a female remedy, and it works in like multiple problems in a woman. So Calcarea carb, the female, obviously the fair, fatty and flabby. In Calcarea carb, the breasts are distended, they are cracked, and they are painful. So in that case, you can use Calcarea carb. Due to that, if you have galactoria or hypogalactoria, in that case you can use. Casticum is the medicine when there is a suppression of the milk due to anxiety, or for tension or anxiety, for mental symptom. So in that case you can use causticum, it works wonder. Causticum is the medicine that is like famous homeopathic galactogog. So this is a galactogog, and why? Because this enhances nutritional and the quality and quantity of the milk. A very good medicine. So you can have this medicine like 1 or 2 drops twice or thrice before having your meal, and with all these medicine, just improve your diet. See, Bryonia alba, like if you're having macromastia, big breast, or you are having inflamed breast, that is mastitis, all these video, so you can take from all these video, and I discuss that video also. So in mastitis video, so even in mastitis cases, the breast inflammation cases. So if you are having inflamed breast, and due to that you are having lack production, milk production is less, so in that case you can use Bryonia direct on tongue orally, or 4-5 times in a day. Urines, Urtica urines, again a very good medicine that is given galactoria, hypogalactoria, or decreased milk discharge. In all the cases, milk again works when you have painful breast, like you are having decreased milk discharge, decreased milk production, as well as you are having extremely painful breast. So in that case you can use Urtica, that is leg defloratum. Leg defloratum, again a very important medicine, and that is known again as a homeopathic galactogog. So this enhances your milk production within hours or within minutes even. It is specific also. You can help you. If you find this video knowledgeable and informative, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get notified. Keep watching, keep updating. Thank you for your time. Keep supporting. Thank you so much.